We talked about the potential bearishness in gold if it trades below 1644 and 1640 levels. Specifically, it has achieved 1635. At the same time, US30 and US100 also traded with a potential drop. Now, what to expect, which levels we can take, whether to buy, whether to sell. The strategy for the US cash in we will define with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit, so do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the latest analysis. The next update will be up before the before the Asia session tomorrow early in the day, so do watch it also. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and towards the end Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully, do note down the levels. Now look at the hourly charts here. On gold, a sharp drop, series of consolidation, a breakout, and now it is trying to reverse. Now see, you cannot consider this as a reversal or a retracement till the time it breaks past the top of this, that is 1646 levels. If it trades above 1646, consider this as reversal and you can buy there. At the same time, now you look at it here, if it trades below this zone, that is 1637, you can expect another round of good drop, and then you can go short 1635, 1630 levels can be expected. Direction movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the buy side still. RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, also on the 2-hour charts, a sharp drop. Look at the downfall here. It tried to achieve the bottom, now trying to retrace. Now this is a retracement, not a reversal. Still you can see lower highs and higher lows. You can see this here, so it is trying to consolidate. Any breakout below 1637 should be a good entry for you to sell. You can expect 1635, 1630 levels. At the same time, on the upside, 1646 is the only level beyond which you can buy. Expect 1650, 55 levels above that. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts here. Likewise, you can find out two candles, lower lows, this candle, lower highs, and yes, if it breaks past this zone at 1646, certainly you can consider that for a bullish move, and then you can expect further rise, else this is just a consolidation which is happening, and any candle can give it a breakout, and this should be again the breakout in the same direction in which it was trading. So this is valid only till the time it trades below 1646, beyond which you can expect 1650, 1655 levels, and on the upside 1660 is definitely a stronger resistance which it may try to achieve for the day. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic trading at bottom looking upwards. MACD may try to converge, crossover for a bullish move, and hence you cannot deny that it cannot trade in green. Possibility exists. RSI trading at bottom. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see this candle and this candle, see the bearishness is diminished here. The candle size, the body size is small, the tail is big, and yes, this indicates a potential reversal here. Once it trades above this zone at 1646, stay long. 1650, 1655 levels can be expected. At the same time, below 1637 you can remain short. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, RSI is trading almost flat near to the bottom. And now let's come to the most important one, that is the daily charts. On the daily charts, the lower highs are done, lower lows are done, and if it reverses from here, trades above 1646, expect 1650, 55, and then 60 levels can be expected. It can reverse strongly on the upside. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic looking downwards and trading at bottom. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is the bearish cross. You have to remain cautious here. And RSI trading at bottom. Considering this, sell at 1637, buy at 1646. For this $9, do not trade. That is between 37 to 46. Below 37 is still 1634. 1630 levels are the target, and below 30 you can expect further more bearishness, which might take it till towards 24 and 20 levels. On the upside, you can buy there at 1646. Expect that it may show you a good rise. 1650 first target, 1655 next target, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100, and before I give you the analysis here, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16 batch start on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss this train this time, as after this you have to wait for another 1 month for you to enroll in the next batch, and definitely you will be delaying the profits of 1 month. So join this mentorship batch. Now look at Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts. Before we proceed, we were talking about the mentorship batch, so do enroll for it. Do reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Look at the performance of the signals group posted in the communities tab, and you will find out how many thousands of pips you have gathered in just 4 weeks. Reach out to me for more details. The same Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at, see, there is a gap there. We talked about this, that it has given a gap down. After that it has consolidated, then a breakout, then a retracement. Now again looking forward to a breakout. You can sell there. It's 11,450. Expect 11,400 as the major support. See, first support here at 11,420 and then 11,400. These two are going to be a major support. Below that we may see another round of bearishness where it can try to attempt and achieve 11,350, 310 and below levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is trading flat. The MACD is bearish here on the hourly charts. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can find out higher lows, lower highs are seen. Let it break down below 11,450, certainly below which you can take a short entry. You can expect it to continue with the bearish momentum. See, there is a gap to be filled again here also. There is a consolidation, then a breakout, consolidation and a breakout. So wait for this to break out below 11,450. Certainly you can expect more bearishness, which might take it till towards 11,400, 380 and then 350, 300 levels can be expected. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation what we saw there on the 2-hour charts as well. Everything is same. Stochastic trading at bottom. The MACD is trying to converge here. It is still in green. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see the candle has just started. Look at this here. This is a downward move, and then this is also expanding. It is looking forward to at least 11,400. That is my expectation. Only buy position today is above 11,550. Only sell position is below 11,450 levels. Above and below, yes, it may try to fill the gap above 11,550. You can expect 11,600, 650 levels to get achieved. And on the downside, below 11,450, 11,400, 380 levels are going to be very good support. Below that, we may see a very strong drop. Similar observation is stochastic down, MACD trying to converge. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, first thing, lower highs are seen. It failed to go past 11,450, traded with the bearish bias. Already 11,450 is done. Once it trades below this zone at 11,450, certainly you can expect more bearishness will pitch in. 11,400, 350, 300, 250, 200. It can reverse all the gains from last trading session. You have to remain cautious. It is trying to consolidate. The next support level at 11,200, 11,150 is very strong. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 450 and 550. On the upside, you have to remain cautious till 11,650 levels. The first target is 11,610, then 11,650 will come into picture. Beyond that, we are looking forward to 700, 800. Sky is the limit. Above 11,650 levels. Remember that fact. On the downside, below 11,400, you can expect a very good drop. 350, 300, 250, 200. Till 200, it has got very strong support. Remember this fact. Below 11,200, it is going to give you another crash, which might take it till towards 11,000 and below level. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 after consolidating here on the R charts gave a breakout, then a retracement. Now again looking forward to give you a breakout, and now 32,600 is the target, and below 32,600 particularly you can expect further more bearishness. Only buy entry today is above 32,850. Till the time it trades below 32,850, I will not recommend you to buy anything. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at bottom. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. It is indicating that we may see a further fall. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, it is looking forward to another round of drop. It is giving a breakout. Possibly we may at least see 32,600 and 32,400 levels are also very much possible. Directional movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downward. There is a crossover on the MACD on the 2-hour charts. Very important observation. Hence, it may try to continue with the bearishness. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. Support there at 32,500, 400 is going to be very strong. Be careful of 32,400 to 600 zone. This zone, if it sustains, certainly it can bounce back, but till 32,400, possibility of it achieving 32,400 is very strong. Directional movement bullish, stochastic oversold. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish crossover. It can continue with the bearish momentum from here. RSI at the top looking downwards, and likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. You can find out it has opened flat and it is looking downwards. Possibly 32,600 cannot be denied, and then from there a bounce back can be expected. Direction movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bearish cross at the highs, and hence it may remain bearish from here. RSI looking downwards. Likewise on the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, see it is trying to reverse the complete gains. Lower highs are seen. It is trying to reverse. You can expect 32,500, 400, and then in fact it can eliminate or erase all the gains from Friday. directional movement bullish. Stochastic is extremely overbought, hence it can potentially look forward to a drop. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI is looking downwards. Potentially we may see a little drop. Take your trades accordingly. Till 32,850 you can remain short on Nasdaq 100, you can remain short on Dow Jones, you can expect 32,600 levels at least, and if it trades below 32,600, there is going to be a very good support in between 32,400 to 600 zone. Breaking below 32,400 you can expect further more bearish, and then it can try to fall more, but till 32,600, yes, it is achievable. Below 32,600, 32,500 and 400 are the two levels which you should watch out for. Bearishness will creep in. If it drops below 32,400, you can expect it to drop till towards 32,200 and 32,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Only buy entry is above 32,850 levels, above which definitely it may try to hit 32,970 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch. Do not forget to join my signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.